Good morning, children. Now we are going to see articles a an. What is meant by article? An article is a word that comes before a noun. What is meant by article? An article is a word that comes before a noun. Okay. Okay. Do you know, children, how many letters in our alphabet? Yeah, 26 letters, isn't it? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, etc. English alphabet consists 26 letters, isn't it? Okay. In 26 letters, do you know what are the vowels? How many vowels in that? Yeah, A, E, I, O, U. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. That five letters we will call vowels. The rest of them we will say consonants. What do we say? Consonants. Okay. Vowels five. A, E, I, O, U. Other letters are known as consonants. The rest of them are known as consonants. Okay. In 26 letters, 5 letters are vowel A, E, I, O, U. Other letters are consonants. Okay. Consonant sounds. What are the consonant sounds? See here B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonants. Okay. Vowel A, E, I, O, U. Vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. Now we are going to see use of a and an. Use of a and an. What is meant by article? An article is a word that comes before a noun. Articles are a and the. Now we are going to see use of a and an. Okay. We use a and an with the naming word to show that there is only one thing. See, we have to use a or an with the naming word and it show only one thing. For singular noun only we have to use a or an. Okay. A and an is for person, place, animal, thing. For example, a boy and it is a singular in number. Okay. A park, a dog, a bike, a car. We have to use before a noun. Okay. And we are going to see a. A used with nouns that begin with consonants. Remember, children, when do we use a? Used with nouns that begin with consonants. I already told you, no, children. What are the consonants? Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Rest of them consonants. Okay. So, when do we use a? Before consonants, we have to use a. A car, a dog, a zoo, a girl, a fan. So, when do we use a? Before consonants. When do we use a, children? Before consonant sounds, you have to use a. For example, a bus. A bus. And it is singular in number. Remember that you have to use for singular. A bus. A zoo, a girl, a hen, a tree, a pen. See, H, T, P. The noun starts with the consonant. We have to use a. Okay. What is this? Yeah, ball. So, B, A, L, L, L. B is a consonant sound. What do we use? A. So, before consonant, you have to use a. What is this? Yeah, fan. F consonant sound, so you have to use a. A fan. A or an, yeah. A car because it starts with the consonant. A car. a tiger, a chair, a mango, a sharpener, a book, a bowl. So it is singular in number. Before consonant you have to use a. I have a nose that smells a rose. Now we are going to see an. I already told you, no, for vowels A, E, I, O, U, before vowels we have to use an. We use an with words that begin with the sound that A, E, I, O and U. Okay. Before consonant you have to use a. Before vowels you have to use an. Okay. An is used before the words beginning with the vowel A, E, I, O, U. Okay, before a nouns, a vowel no, before vowels you have to use an. An. What is this? Yeah, ice cream. So, I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. I. So, it is a vowel sound. So, what should you use? Yeah, an ice cream. An in bottle. I is a vowel sound, so an in bottle. What is this? Yeah, owl. O-W-L. O is a vowel. So what do we use? A or an? Yeah, an owl. Remember children? For a and an used for singular noun only. Okay, before consonant you have to use a. Before vowel you have to use an. Read the following: an elephant, an orange, an ink pot. Okay. An egg, an apple, an octopus, an umbrella. E, A, O, U, all letters are vowels. So before vowels you have to use an. An octopus, an elephant. A or an umbrella. Yeah, an umbrella. See, bucket, orange. B is a consonant sound, so we are using a. O is a vowel sound, so we are using an. So a bucket, an orange. Goat. G is a consonant, so before consonant what do we use? A. Yeah, a goat. Tree. T is a vowel or consonant, Kana? Yeah, T, that is a consonant. So before consonants what do we use? A. So what is the answer? A tree. Yeah, good. A tree. Okay. Remember children, before for use a and an, before consonant you have to use a. Before vowel you have to use an. Okay. Article is a word that comes before a noun. Remember children, that comes before a noun. Articles a, an. Okay. A you have to use before consonant. If the letter starts with a consonant sound, you have to use a. If the letter starts with a vowel sound, you have to use an. That's all. Okay. You have to, this is your turn children. You have to write your answers in your rough note. Okay. Engine. Cow. E is a vowel, so what should you write? Yeah, an engine. Cow. C is a consonant, so what should you write? Yeah, a cow. Baby, ball, ship, elephant, egg, orange. So you have to fill a or an. Okay. Thank you, children.